legit paid survey sites for money. Completing paid surveys online is an easy way to make extra cash on the side. You're unlikely to get rich with the money from survey sites, but many of them do offer real cash, gift cards, and other perks for those who provide insights for their market research initiatives. However, there are also scams out there that are just looking for your personal information or that never pay out. So you need to make sure the sites you use are legitimate so you don't end up wasting your time or worse. I usually use site number 7 to make money every day. Watch this video up to the end. The following are paid survey opportunities that provide actual payouts. It's important to always research specific survey sites before signing up since policies and processes can vary and change over time. But the platforms shown in this video offer actual payments and opportunities for those looking to earn points and get paid online. This is NorBipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Let's dive in. 1. Survey Junkie. You start using Survey Junkie by filling out a profile so the platform can match you with surveys that are relevant to your consumer preferences. Then, you can complete surveys on your computer or mobile device and earn points for each one. You can later redeem those points for PayPal cash or e-gift cards. You also only need to clear about $10 worth of points to cash out, which is lower than many other survey sites. Average amount payout, $1 to $3 per survey. Payment method, PayPal or e-gift cards. Requirements, must be 16 or older with a valid email address. 2. LifePoints. Once you sign up for a LifePoints account, you'll receive relevant survey opportunities via email. Some surveys include basic online questions, while others may require you to visit specific sites or even test out physical products first. You can choose the one you want to participate in, and the site tries to send out surveys to only the most relevant consumers. There's also a community of other consumers that users can connect with. The site uses a points system to allow users to redeem rewards, which can vary over time. Average amount payout, 20 cents to $1 per survey. Payment method, PayPal cash, gift cards, and other rewards. Requirements, must be 14 or older and live in one of the dozens of eligible countries, which includes the United States. 3. Vindale Research. Vindale Research uses a similar model to many other paid survey sites. You sign up and create a profile with your basic demographic information. Then it matches you with relevant survey opportunities. You can take a paid survey on any device, and get paid with other activities like watching videos and making referrals. The site also sets itself apart by offering quick payments via PayPal and hundreds of survey opportunities each day. Average amount payout, 50 cents to $5 per survey. Payment method, PayPal. Requirements, must be 18 or older and live in the US, Great Britain, or Australia. 4. Toluna. Toluna is an online community of influencers and survey takers. The site allows you to earn points by taking surveys, playing online games, or referring others. You fill out a profile and then get access to community features that are most relevant to you. Once you earn enough points, you can redeem them for vouchers to various retailers and businesses. Average amount payout, 10 cents to $50 per survey. Payment method, points that can be redeemed for vouchers, gift cards, or prizes. Requirements, must be 16 or older, 18 for certain surveys and incentives. 5. Branded Research. Branded Research is an online community for companies to collect relevant opinions from consumers. You can sign up with Facebook or your email address and then answer a few quick questions to get matched with relevant surveys to start earning points. From there, you get daily updates with polls, challenges, and other offerings that you can complete to get points. Average amount payout, 50 cents to $3 per survey. Payment method, gift cards, PayPal, cash, or charitable donations. Requirements, must be 18 or older, or at least 13 with parent or guardian consent. 6. Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research gives you the opportunity to take online surveys for money about new products and initiatives. You start by filling out some basic personal information. Then you can browse surveys on the platform and get points for each one. The compensation is a bit higher than many other sites. But some of the surveys and product tests can be more time-consuming. And participants may only receive a few opportunities per day. The site also has a full rewards section, so you can either redeem your points for cash or choose from a variety of prizes. Average amount payout, $3 per survey. Payment method, PayPal, gift cards, or prizes. Requirements, must be 18 or older and reside in the US, Canada, UK, or Germany. 7. CashKarma. CashKarma is a mobile app that lets you access quick surveys and redeem points for cash. You earn points for completing surveys, and even for spending time on surveys you don't qualify for. There are additional opportunities and challenges, like making referrals or signing up for trials or services. The app offers a sort of gamified version of a survey platform, so you can earn bonuses and reach various levels the more challenges you complete. This means you can get more per survey the longer you spend on the site. Average amount payout, about 50 points per survey, with a 300-point sign-up bonus. Cash value varies. Payment method, PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. Requirements, access to a smartphone with iOS or Android. 8. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel lets you sign up for an account in just a few seconds. Then you can add a bit of personal information and start taking surveys and completing challenges to earn points and get paid. Those points can be redeemed for a variety of perks, which you can browse in a lengthy catalog on the site. This site also offers daily challenges, raffles, and giveaways. Average amount payout, 40 cents to 60 cents per survey. Payment method, gift cards, PayPal Cash, direct bank payment or online game codes. Requirements, must be 18 or older, or 16 or older with a parent or guardian's permission, and reside in the US, Canada, UK, or Australia. 9. Opinion Outpost. To sign up for Opinion Outpost, you simply add your name, email address, and gender and you can start to get paid online. Or you can sign up with Facebook or LinkedIn. You then receive an invitation by email, at which point you can add more personal details like your age, occupation, and location, and start taking paid surveys. You can receive survey invitations via email or browse the site for opportunities. And most take just about 10 minutes to complete. Then you can redeem points for various rewards. Average amount payout, 30 cents to $5 per survey. Payment method, PayPal Cash, Amazon or iTunes gift cards, charitable donations. Requirements, must be 18 or older and reside in the US or other approved countries. 10. Valued Opinions. Valued Opinions is an online market research site that lets users take surveys, test products, and review ad campaigns for cash. You simply fill out a profile to get matched with surveys that are relevant to you. Since the site offers higher compensation than many others, there aren't a ton of opportunities to take surveys every day, but the ones that get sent to you are often relevant. Average amount payout, $5 per survey. Payment method, gift cards for select retailers like Amazon, Target, and Macy's. Requirements, US residents 13 or older. 11. Survey Club. Survey Club offers surveys, product testing, research panels, clinical trials, and even mystery shopping opportunities. You start by filling out a questionnaire with some basic demographic information. Then you can easily browse tons of opportunities on the site. Filter by surveys that are relevant to you, or you can even filter out those that are within a specific time range or topic area. Average amount payout, 50 cents to $5 per survey, each one includes a price in the description. Payment method, Amazon gift card and all. Requirements, must be 18 or older. 12. OneOpinion. OneOpinion has a simple online registration form, so you can get signed up and start taking money surveys in just minutes. Once you're officially registered, the company sends opportunities directly to you via email, so you just follow a link to start sharing your opinions and earn points. They offer a variety of rewards, including cash and gift cards, so you can choose whichever options best suit you as soon as you accrue 25,000 points, which equals $25. Amount paid, $1 to $5 per survey. Payment method, gift cards and virtual gift codes. Requirements, must be 18 or older, or 13 or older with permission from a parent or guardian. 13. Harris Poll Online. Harris Poll Online isn't just a survey site for you to make money, it's also a community where you can share your opinions and even see the results of the surveys you complete. It's run by the Harris Panel, which is a member of the National Council of Public Polls. It has a 45-year history and keeps participant information completely confidential. However, some of the polls you participate in may sometimes appear in various publications. Of course, it does also offer the opportunity to earn some perks for sharing your opinions. Amount paid, $1 per survey. Payment method, gift cards, online vouchers, or charitable donations. Requirements, must be 13 or older in the US and Canada, or 14 or older in other countries. 14. Panda Research. Panda Research works like many other survey sites. At first, you sign up for an account and add some personal information. Then you can get relevant surveys and other promotional opportunities sent right to you via email. However, there are also a few key differences. For instance, the site offers 2 payments via PayPal per month. On the 1st and 15th, you do have to earn at least $50 before receiving payments though. The platform also lets you earn additional money by completing tasks like reading emails and referring friends. In addition to the actual payments, members can also access coupons, discounts, and giveaways. Amount paid varies widely. Some surveys don't include incentives at all, but each one should specify whether or not an incentive is offered. Payment method, PayPal deposits. Requirements, must be 18 or older and reside in the US. Finally, surveying for money probably isn't going to get you rich. In fact, you probably won't earn as much as you could with other business opportunities, like blogging, delivering food, or selling products online. But if you have a bit of extra time and just want to answer some simple questions while you're watching TV or sitting in a waiting room, these sites give you the opportunity to earn extra cash, gift cards and other perks. Just make sure you protect your personal information and choose the survey sites that are the best fit for you. Then you can start having fun and helping companies shape the products and marketing initiatives that are most relevant to you as a consumer. This is NorBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.